Hello guys, welcome to this new video, and in today's video we are going to talk about the bid strategies with practical examples through the campaigns that we are running. So today we will compare the performances of manual CPC versus the target CPA on two of the campaigns that we are running. Like one is solar campaign and another example will be of travel campaign. So this is the campaign of the date range is last 7 days. We got 326 clicks, 19.9k spent. This is the CPC. Alright, so let's go to the campaign and let me give you the overview that currently we were running for this week. We were running these four campaign 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the solar campaign running in the geo target region, specifically in Gujarat, India, and there are two campaigns. You can see this is the commercial, another one is commercial as well, and then it is residential and it is residential. Now this commercial is was running on target CPA. This commercial was running on manual CPC. Residential solar campaign was running on target CPA, and this number 2 of residential campaign was running on manual CPC. Now let's see the performances. The cost of this commercial campaign running on manual CPC was the highest. It outperformed all the campaign that was running, and the commercial campaign with the target CPA has got very less spent. Similarly, the residential campaign with the manual CPC got the higher spent as compared to the residential campaign running on target CPA. Now let's check the metrics as well, the performances. The average CPC, as you can see, that commercial campaign with target CPA got 11.76 CPC. Similarly, the commercial campaign with the manual CPC got 57.03 CPC, and residential campaign with target CPA got 13.42 CPC, and with manual CPC it got 81.34. So here what we can see is that the campaign which were running on target CPA got the lesser CPC but lesser clicks as well. But the campaign running on manual CPC got the these two campaigns got higher CPC but higher clicks as well. Let's talk about the leads. This commercial campaign with target CPA got only one phone call, right? But in commercial campaign with manual CPC, it got 15 phone calls in last 7 days. Similarly, the residential campaign with target CPA has got only one phone call. On the other side, the residential campaign with manual CPC has got 0 phone calls. Now this is the lead list of only phone calls, but at the back end we also got email form submission as well that were not recorded here. Okay. If we go to our travel campaign, you can see that this campaign was running on manual CPC, and this campaign was running on target CPA, and here the manual CPC outperformed the target CPA, and you can see that it is almost more than 50% of increment of the leads here. The cost, if we talk about, there was almost more than 50% of cost as well if we compare manual CPC campaign to the target CPA campaign. What we can conclude here is that there is no thumb rule on which bid strategy or campaign setting is better than which. Alright, all you have to do is, like we did, you have to split test, like create one campaign with basic settings like keywords, good ad copies, alright, and set it on manual CPC, then duplicate it and set it on target CPA and run it for like 14 days. And do not make any changes during this period of 14 days, and see that which campaign setting is performing for you well, and which is not. Whatever is performing well for you, just scale that campaign, scale that setting, and pause the other campaign. All right. So one thing that you have to keep in mind, that whenever you are switching to manual CPC, then do not go for the broad match keywords, only go for either exact or phrase match, or the combination of both. However, if you are running the target CPA or any automated bid strategy, you can go for broad match and phrase match and exact match combination of all these keywords. Broad match can work there as well, although you will get some irrelevant searches, but if you have a good set of negative keywords, then you can go for broad match with phrase match. But in manual CPC, there should not be broad match keywords added at any cost, because it will eat your budget out. Okay, so the conclusion here is that you have to split test and see for yourself that what's working for you and what's not. Well, that's all for today's video, and if you like this video, please follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want us to manage your Google Ads campaign, then please go to the link below and schedule a free 30 minutes meeting with me, and so that we can discuss your campaign and your goals. And if you want to create a professional website and landing page for your Google Ads campaign or your business, then you can contact us. We have more than 7 years of experience in Google Ads and website building, and we are Google partners. And well, that's all for today. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care. This is Ankit Shrivastava signing off. Have a great day. Bye bye.